there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we dive into the nitty-gritty of products so you don't have to. Today we're putting two robot vacuums head-to-head, Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop, aka Tikom, and ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner, or as we like to call it, ROPVACNIC. So let's find out which one will make your floors sparkle and which one will leave you eating dust. Literally. First off, the price. Both Tikom and ROPVACNIC are priced at a cool $299. So if you're looking to save a buck, well, you're out of luck. It's a tie, folks. Now, let's get wet and wild with mopping technology. Tikom boasts a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature with an electronically controlled water pump and 3-level water output. It's like having a tiny, efficient janitor in your home. Meanwhile, ROPVACNIC ups the ante with a 4-stage personalized water adjustment system. It's like the Swiss Army knife of mopping. 4 stages, folks. It's like ROPVACNIC is preparing for a mopping Olympics. So if you like your floors as moist as your humor, ROPVACNIC has the upper hand here. Let's talk navigation. Tikom uses gyroscope smart navigation with an efficient zigzag path, which improves cleaning efficiency by 30%. It's basically the Usain Bolt of robot vacuums. Meanwhile, ROPVACNIC has a comprehensive intelligent control system with multiple cleaning modes and personalized settings. It's like the Einstein of vacuums. So if you want your vacuum to be fast and furious, go with Tikom. But if you prefer a vacuum that's smart and sophisticated, ROPVACNIC is your guy. Now onto suction power. Tikom offers 2700 PA suction, perfect for short and medium pile carpets and hardwood floors. It's like a mini tornado in your living room. But wait, ROPVACNIC comes in with a whopping 4000 PA suction power. That's right, it's like a black hole for dirt. If your floors need a deep, deep clean, ROPVACNIC takes the cake here. Both vacuums have smart features like app control, voice commands, and self-charging. Tikom connects to Alexa and Google Home and offers 5 cleaning modes. It's like having a personal assistant that actually listens. ROPVACNIC also syncs with Alexa and Google Assistant, but it has high coverage sensing and multiple algorithmic data points. That's right, it's basically a cleaning terminator. So if you want a robot vacuum that could potentially take over the world, ROPVACNIC is your best bet. And for all you pet owners out there, Tikom has boundary strips to help you set no-go areas. But ROPVACNIC has an exclusive no-entanglement design for pet hair. No more dirty hands cleaning up after your fur babies. Based on Amazon reviews, Tikom is highly praised for its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, ease of use, and effectiveness in cleaning. Reviewers also highlight its efficiency, quieter operation, and better design for picking up debris compared to other brands. However, some users mentioned that it struggles on carpets and has a smaller dust collector that needs frequent emptying. On the other hand, ROPVACNIC receives accolades for its powerful suction, versatile cleaning capabilities, and user-friendly app. It's noted for its strong battery life, smart navigation, and high efficiency. Users particularly appreciate its performance on various types of flooring and its ability to handle pet hair without entanglement. So who's the winner? Well, it depends on what you need. If you want a speedy, efficient cleaner, Tikom is your guy. But if you're looking for raw power and advanced features, ROPVACNIC takes the crown. Remember, smart shoppers, the best vacuum is the one that suits your lifestyle. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which vacuum you'd take home. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.